Hi, Bailey. Hi, Bailey. How are you? You a good girl. Yes, you are. It's my little helper. She comes down every now and again, just so she can track white paw prints upstairs. Hey guys, welcome back. All right, so where we left off yesterday was the windows. I finished this one up here. That one's all ready to go. Needs to be cleaned, obviously, but you know, that'll get done. So that's ready for priming. I'm going to continue on. This one's almost done. Just got to sand it, and then once the drywallers get here, I will just head out to get another piece of wood because I'm short for this window. So I'm going to finish up this one. My plan today here is to get the three windows all done, and drywallers will just continue on. And if there's anything else I can do, I can put in. I had that receptacle too. I ran out of receptacles the other day. Pick some up. I will grab one and put it in there. Then yeah, the drywallers will do their thing. The homeowner asked about this wall. I told him, you know, he wanted the drywall up there, and I don't know. I think that's the one that he doesn't. He thinks it's ugly. I don't know. So I think he just wants it finished. But it's not that it's ugly. It's that it's like, where do you stop? You know what I mean? I'm doing what I was told from the beginning, and finishing the area, and then, you know, the outside is going to be finished like a wall. But that is like a mechanical room. So if he wants that finished, then I'll finish it, not a problem. But it's like, where do you stop when you're not doing the whole thing, really? Alright, so I'm going to get jumping on this one window and just see how much wood I do need. Hi, Bailey. Hi, Bailey. How are you? You a good girl. Yes, you are. It's my little helper. She comes down every now and again, just so she can track white paw prints upstairs. Alright guys, I'll get back with you. Get it. I just finished the windows, so that's the last one there. I pieced it together. Once it's sanded and painted, it won't notice anything. Still got to caulk it, but that one's done. Drywallers are here. They started doing the verticals, corner bead. So they just went for lunch, and they're putting the coat on all the walls. So they'll be fully coated today, and then probably they'll come back Monday, do a light sand and do final coat, anything else like that, wherever needs to be. All right, so that's where we're at. And yeah, so next time you see this place, it'll be totally drywalled, and I'll probably just be going around picking, see if they missed anything, and getting ready to prime. So yeah, we'll get back to you then. Have a great weekend, guys. It's Thursday, but I won't be here Friday, so yeah, have a good weekend. I'll be posting these videos, probably one for Friday, whichever one it is. I forget what number we're on. Yeah. And that other job I went to go look at yesterday, I think, something about a door jamb fix, door casing. Anyway, the brother got mad and kicked open the door. It's a little bit too funky in there for me, so I'm not going to do that. I gotta watch out for my health too, but yeah, not a pretty sight, so I won't be doing that. So I have this and some other things too. I'm gonna make some shorts and get back in here for Monday. Monday, what am I gonna do? I'll probably clean up, just go through everything, If it's not Monday, then it's Tuesday, but hopefully Monday they come back and do the other coat. This little guy is working pretty good. This morning it said it was 31% humidity, and they just put these corners on and it bumped up to 44. And this little hose I put on too, that's working well. It's not filling up this can anymore. It's going straight out the back. I've never bought one of these before, but I want this job to go quicker, and they're my neighbor, right? So I gotta be on my best behavior. Yeah. Alright guys, well that's it for me, and for today anyway. I'll see you soon. Yeah.